In our updated moderate overlap test, we tested 4 minivans, and all of them received marginal or poor ratings. In this test, we're looking closely at the rear occupant. We want to see a low risk of injury and restraint systems that keep that occupant away from the hard surfaces in the vehicle. And in all 4 minivans, we saw the rear occupant at risk for chest injury, either because of high belt forces or poor belt positioning. The Honda Odyssey was the only minivan in this group to earn a poor rating. Compared with the others, it had a higher risk of head and neck injury. These ratings don't change our recommendation that children under 13 sit properly restrained in the rear seat, and the ratings don't apply at all to children who are restrained in child safety seats. Many consumers choose minivans specifically to transport their families. So it's disappointing that the automakers haven't focused more attention on backseat safety in this vehicle class. While we're disappointed in these ratings, we expect the automakers to respond quickly and make improvements, as we've seen when we've introduced other tests.